It all started with a small thought and a big impact on the educational system. Tejaswini Garu not only established a school for education, but she wants to share values, ethics, discipline, and a school that would mold and guide future generation to our enlightened minds. Tejaswini Garu, I would like to invite you on the stage. Please share few of the thoughts. Please give a big round of applause to Tejaswini Garu.
Namaste. Good morning, everyone. Thanks to our chief guest, V.TEJASWINI Garu. Thanks to the founder of our Alphabet Techno School, Mr. V.V.S. sir. Thanks to all my teachers who worked hard for this school. And thanks to my dear parents and my dear students. Today we are very happy and excited to celebrate this 8th annual day of Alphabet Techno School. A bright future comes from a right institution. For the trust you all put in us, we paved a good career, improved the quality of life, improved the behavior, discipline, manners, and culture among the children. We have given all this to our children. That's the reason we are standing as a good educational institution in front of you today. Everyone, those who remember their own education, they first remember their teacher. Am I right? Not the methods or techniques. Teacher is the heart of every educational system. Today I am in front of you as a teacher is because of my teachers and parents. I request all the teachers and my parents never give an impression on the student that you are intelligent or dull. Both are dangerous. Because you know, the children are likely to live up to that extent what you believe in them. For example, when you say you are intelligent, okay, I'm intelligent, no one is smarter than me, he won't improve himself more. He will stop over there. When you say you are dull, for example, the child thinks that I'm a dull student, no matter how much I work hard, he will also stop there only. So the students should never stop. So we should encourage them. So I know each and every one of my school students here. I know their weakness, I know their strengths. Let them know what is their weakness, how to overcome it. And what is their strength, how to utilize the strength. I used to tell my students, come to school regularly first of all. Whatever the teacher is teaching the concept, understand it. Work as hard as you can. Enjoy your day. Have good friends. After going home, just check on yourself. Did I work hard? If the answer is yes, don't blame yourself. If the answer is no, then take a portion of blame to yourself. You try to do hard work next day. Wherever you are not understanding the concept, clarify the doubts with the teacher. Getting first rank is not important. I always used to tell to my students, getting first rank is not important. Success is not about only getting the first rank. You will definitely succeed when you acquire the complete knowledge. Understanding the concept is more important than high scores. Start your day by studying something new. There is no compulsions to study every day, but start your day, learn something new. If you share this new thing with others, you will feel more enjoyable and it is very good for you. And if you approach your aim or target in this way, you won't be exhausted. Productivity, whatever we are giving, here everyone knows, every parent knows whatever the productivity we are giving. Productivity is never an accident. It is a result of commitment to excellence, intelligent thinking and focused effort. We have done all this and we are giving the productivity to you. I just want to ask one question to my children, students. What is the best gift from your parents? Yes, what is the best gift from your parents? Education. Very good, Nana. Education is the best gift from the parents. Not the dress or toy, anything. This will be given as a gift by others also, but the only education is given by the parents. This is what we are teaching our students also. Whatever the education your parents are giving as a gift, in return, what you are going to give? Yeah, you are going to study well, you are going to be in a good profession. So, all of you, enjoy the day. I want to say that in our school, we won't not only teach the academic, but we also improve our children in teaching the moral values, discipline, manners, culture. Following these, the children and their family will become a better human beings, better community, and this protects the honor of our country. Thanks to one and all the very best to my dear children for their bright future. Jai Hind.